My singing bird. I have seen the lark soar high at morn, heard his song up in the blue. I have heard the blackbird pipe his notes, the thrush and linnet too, but none of them can sing so sweet, my singing bird, as you. My singing bird, as you. If I could lure my singing bird from his own cozy nest, if I could catch my singing bird, I would warm him on my breast. But there's none of them can sing so sweet, my singing bird, as you. My singing bird, as you. Oh, I will climb a high, high tree, and I'll rob a wild bird's nest, and I'll bring back my singing bird to the arms that love him best. But there's none of them can sing so sweet, my singing bird, as you. My singing bird, as you.